Hi everyone, look at this beautiful geometric hand embroidery pattern. You can download this pattern absolutely free. The link is in the description. A fresh design we created just for you. It's modern, minimal, and perfect for cushions, tablecloths, or any fabric project. Welcome back to DIY stitching. Today's design may look advanced, but it's made with just 2 simple stitches, straight stitch and back-stitched herringbone. Let's start stitching and see how this simple idea turns into something truly elegant. We're using stranded cotton thread, 1 colour for each square. As you move from one square to the next, the colour changes beautifully, creating a soft gradient look across the pattern. Keep your stitches straight and evenly spaced for the best result. Next, we'll work on the back-stitched herringbone. We're again using the same 2 colours, 1 for each section, to match the flow of the design. This stitch adds a lovely woven texture that complements the straight stitches perfectly. Take your time. This part is relaxing and satisfying to stitch. We design all our embroidery patterns from scratch, and your support helps us keep creating new and inspiring ideas. That's why watching the full video really means a lot. It encourages us to keep sharing more free patterns and creative tutorials with you. Now, for the final touch, a gentle scallop stitched along the back stitch in the herringbone section. It's a small detail that gives the whole design a refined, handmade charm. And here's the final result, a simple pattern that looks elegant, polished and full of life. Each colour variation brings a unique beauty to this geometric layout. If you liked this design, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Every view, comment and like inspires us to design more original patterns and share them free with you. Thank you for watching, and see you again with another creative hand embroidery idea.